Hi everyone, and welcome to my Pluralsight course, Continuous Delivery and DevOps with Azure Devops, Release Management. My name is Marcel de Vries and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Experian in the Netherlands. Continuous Delivery and DevOps require you to fully automate the build and release process in a repeatable and reliable way. In this course you will learn how to set up release automation in Azure DevOps. We will start with the fundamental distinction between a deployment and a release, enabling us to think about how to release multiple times a day without interrupting your services. We will look at a release definition, artifacts, stages, gates, agent jobs, custom release agents, and deployment groups and tasks. Next, we dive into the concept of configuration and infrastructure as code. This enables us to provision compute resources on demand, reducing costs but also improving repeatability and traceability of changes in our infrastructure. We will also look at how to use containers and how it changes the standard flow of our deployment pipelines, and how this improves the speed and ability to deploy changes rapidly to, for example, a Kubernetes cluster. We conclude this course by looking at security, approvals and audit trails, so we can ensure that our release pipelines are audit-proof. By using one tool for everything, you can achieve compliance very easy. After watching this course, you should be able to create a fully automated build and release pipeline that is secure and compliant by default. This is a big enabler implementing DevOps in your organization. I'll hope you join me on this learning journey with the course Continuous Delivery and DevOps with Azure DevOps Release Management.